What is UVC disinfection? Ultraviolet germicidal irradiation is a disinfection technology that uses short-wavelength ultraviolet light to kill or inactivate bacteria by breaking nucleic acids and altering DNA, rendering them unable to perform essential physiological processes. How does UVC disinfection work? UVC light's energy breaks DNA and inhibits germs from growing. Professional disinfection bulbs mostly emit UVC light with a wavelength of 254 nm, which has the strongest disinfecting impact. Can UV light disinfect air? UVC radiation is well known for its ability to disinfect the air, water, and non-porous surfaces. UVC radiation has been used successfully for decades to prevent the spread of microorganisms such as TB. As a result, UV light disinfects air. Are UV light disinfection safe? The first crucial thing to understand is that UVC rays impact the DNA of all living things, including humans and animals. UV chambers should always be sealed, leak-proof containers. Users must ensure that they or their pets should never be exposed to UV radiation. What is ultraviolet disinfection equipment? Ultraviolet disinfection uses short-wavelength ultraviolet light to kill bacteria by destroying nucleic acids and disrupting DNA. Microorganisms are rendered inactive by ultraviolet disinfection, preventing them from performing essential biological tasks. To disinfect water, ultraviolet disinfection equipment places LEDs, lamps, or bulbs in close proximity to it. Do hospitals use UV light to sanitize? The use of UV light systems for disinfecting patients and operating rooms is becoming more common in healthcare settings. UVC is also employed in the cleaning of laboratories and meat packing plants at night. Ultraviolet germicidal irradiation is another word for UVC disinfection, UVGI. Do hospitals use UV light to sterilize? A form of ultraviolet light known as ultraviolet light C, or UVC, is assisting hospitals in reducing the transmission of superbugs such as MRSA, which remain in inpatient rooms and generate new infections. What are the disinfectants used in hospitals? Hospitals disinfect use 5 EPA-registered chemicals: quaternary ammonium, hypochlorite, accelerated hydrogen peroxide, phenolics, and peracetic acid. What is a UV disinfection system? An ultraviolet, UV, disinfection device delivers electromagnetic energy from a mercury arc lamp to the genetic material of an organism, DNA and RNA. When UV light enters an organism's cell wall, it destroys the cell's capacity to reproduce. What is considered a hospital-grade disinfectant? A hospital-level disinfectant is one that has been registered with the Environmental Protection Agency, EPA, that accomplishes the tasks of bactericides, killing dangerous bacteria, virucides, killing pathogenic viruses, and fungicides, destroying fungus. Where to buy hospital-grade disinfectants? In hospitals, modern UV light technology is used in the AC Air UV hospital disinfection systems that are installed in centralized AC systems. This cutting-edge technology destroys the hazardous and deadly germs present in the air circulated by these AC systems, providing safe and disinfected air to everyone present on the hospital grounds. What disinfectant is used in the laboratory? The most prevalent chlorine disinfectants are hypochlorites. Household bleach containing sodium hypochlorite is commercially available. This EPA-approved compound is both stable and fast-acting. How to disinfect the laboratory? All lab surfaces should be cleaned and disinfected at least twice a day. Using routine housekeeping standards, clean the surfaces of dust, smudges, and debris with water and detergents, then disinfect. Disposable wipes can be disposed of in ordinary trash. When cleaning surfaces, do not use spray bottles to apply disinfectant. What disinfectant is used in the laboratory? The most generally recommended disinfection for lab surfaces is a 10% solution of sodium hypochlorite, or bleach, which is a chemical germicide of intermediate strength. How to disinfect lab equipment? Cleaning and sterilization products use physical methods such as flame, red heat, incineration, hot air ovens, and moist heat, as well as chemical procedures that employ liquids such as hydrogen peroxide and peracetic acid, or gases such as ethylene oxide or methanol.